everyone, I made this project for my little son and thought I'd share it with YouTube. It's very simple. Obviously, as you can see, it's all made of cardboard. The only thing we got here is LED and a motor which is out of a DVD player, which when you spin it, this will light up. When you spin it, it lights up. When you spin it the other way, obviously it doesn't light up because the motor's going the opposite way, unless I reconnect these wires opposite way around. So that's it really. A lot of support is made for this wheel here. That's the important thing. I had to put another support there, so this is not wobbly and it's firm. And just a simple rubber band to make it turn. Hope you enjoy this project. Please subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.